Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off AutoCorrect on your iPhone. If you're tired of your phone automatically changing your words while typing, this quick setting will help. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down a little and tap on General. Next, tap on Keyboard to open the keyboard settings. Here you'll see several options that control how your iPhone keyboard works while typing messages, emails, or notes. Now, find the autocorrection option. When this feature is turned on, your iPhone automatically corrects words while you type. Sometimes it can be helpful, but it may also change words you didn't want to change. Simply tap the toggle next to autocorrection to turn it off. And that's it. Your iPhone will no longer automatically correct your words while typing. This can make typing easier, especially if autocorrect often changes your words. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.